Hello class and welcome to our ninth lecture series on microeconomics, and I'm your instructor, Dr. Jamal. Okay, let's have a recap. Before the midterm, we were studying the cost of production, chapter 13, and the important points, let me remind you, is that we talked about that. First of all, which one is here in this figure? Which one is the marginal cost? Guys, I need your participation. Which one is the marginal cost?
A.
Well done. What is average variable cost? Nana, Pavarun, Om, Ella.
Yes.
Average variable cost is C. Average fixed cost, D. And average total cost is B. Okay, let's just talk about the important points. That is, marginal cost rises with the amount of output produced. So you see that with the amount of output produced, marginal cost rises. All right. And then the average total cost is U-shaped. So you see average total cost, B, is like a U-shaped. So at first, average total cost declines. So with the increase in output, average total cost declines. And after some point, average total cost, when the marginal cost crosses the average total cost at its minimum, after that, average total cost is rising. All right. So the bottom of the U-shaped curve, average total cost, is called efficient scale. So beyond efficient scale, your average total cost is rising. Okay, which means right hand side of the efficient scale, average cost is rising. Left hand side of the efficient scale, average total cost is decreasing. Here, when average total cost is, when marginal cost is less than here, average total cost, and this is the marginal cost on marginal cost, average total cost is on average total cost. When MC is less than average total cost, your total cost is rising, or left hand side of the efficient scale. All right. Now, up till now, we talked about the microeconomics with perspective of one company. And we talk about it that, okay, if we want to increase the total profit, we have the option to decrease our cost. All right. In that case, we have a maximum profit. Right? So we should produce where cost is minimum, and cost is minimum on efficient scale. Right? And now we shed some light on the types of markets, because the firm, the cost of production chapter that we discussed, it do not explain what type of market is for our firm. If we are operating in perfect competition, if we are operating in monopoly, oligopoly, or monopolistic competition. All right. So today we'll talk about firms in competitive markets. What is their production decision, how much they have to produce on which they can get maximum profit. All right. So let me again remind you that the introduction of this chapter after the cost of production chapter is that in cost of production chapter, we discussed that we have to produce where our average total cost is minimum. When our average total cost is minimum, our profit is maximum. And where our average total cost is minimum, when we produce at efficient scale. So at efficient scale, our cost is minimum and our profit is maximum. So we denote that quantity as Q max. All right. So the idea is that, okay, so we have produced where our efficient scale is or where our cost is minimum or profit is maximum. But our product is targeting which market? Either it is targeting the competitive firms market, either it targeting the monopoly market, either it is targeting the monopolistic competition or oligopoly. We talk about the characteristics of markets one by one. So today's agenda is that we will be sharing some light on the first category of the market, that is competition. So the introduction is, have you ever noticed if your local gas station raised its price of the gasoline by 20%? It would see a large drop in sales. So you know that in your area there are many, you can say many pump stations who pump gas in your car. For example, $5 a gallon, $5 a gallon. But one petrol pump, it says that, okay, I'm going to be filling the gas tank with $7 a gallon. What do you think so? It's A, B, this is C. The sale or quantity sold of A will increase or decrease? Guys, I would be needing your participation. Everyone, please. Oliver, Marco, Jan.
Is that $7 a gallon
Yes.
compared to $4 a gallon?
$5
or $5. Okay, so in case A, it will most likely drop.
Exactly.
Quantity sold.
Quantity sold of A would be decreased. Okay. So we saw that the price will decrease. Sorry, if the petrol pump of A increase the price, it will see a large drop of quantity sold. Right? Why is that? So if you compare to other businesses, for example, if your local water supply company raised its price, it would see only a small drop in sale. Or for example, the electricity company in your area, if they raise the price, would they see a large drop in their electricity sold units? No. So our question is, why it happens? So the size is, in what kind of market are you in? Okay. Okay, let's move further. So, because there are many firms pumping gasoline and it is hard to find another water supply in your area. So it means type of market does have an effect on your quantity pool. All right. So up till now, what we have discussed, that how much we have to produce in order to have a maximum profit. Now we will be going a further advanced step, that in which market we are selling. Our product is either belongs to competitive market or other types of market. So now we are exploring competitive market. So what is the silent feature of competitive market? If there are many firms selling the same product, all right, then if one firm increases the price, it will see a large drop in its quantity sold. It means its product is going to be more elastic, more